Hi guys, welcome back to Tactic Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to connect CJ Dropshipping with Shopify. How to use CJ Dropshipping with Shopify. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in today's video, we will be talking about how you will be able to do dropshipping with Shopify as your main store and CJ Dropshipping as the source of your different products. Now with CJ Dropshipping, there's a lot of very cheap products over here, which makes it a very great platform to get different products from. For example, over here, let's look for a specific product. Maybe this one over here, a jewelry. Fashion jewelry creative, the Volmaid Stone Lady. It only costs like $0.69 over here for one. So we could utilize this as our source of product with Shopify and CJ Dropshipping. So we will be showing you how you will be able to connect it. So first things first, create your account in CJ Dropshipping. It's a very simple process, so creating it will not be a hard time or will not give you a hard time, and it will be very breeze and easy. After that, after making sure that you're logged in, look over here in the center. There will be a pulsating My CJ button on the top. If you select that, you will be redirected to another page where you can manage your different associated stores. As you can see here, this is where you will be able to check out the different information about your profile, your different levels, different pending payments, all of those stuff, your points, your wallets, everything that is related to your account will be found over here. And look over here on the left side. You will be able to see a lot of different buttons. As you scroll down, there will be a lot of options. If you scroll down to the bottom, you will be able to notice Store Authorization. If you select that, there will be a pop-up or a drop-down where you will be able to connect CJ Dropshipping to a lot of different e-commerce platforms over here, and one of which is Shopify, the one that we need to focus on for today's video. So if you click on Shopify, we will be redirected to this page. Now back then, I already connected my CJ Dropshipping to a specific account in Shopify. Now we have a new Shopify store. So what we're going to do is we're going to delete this one for now. Delete, just like that. Confirm. And now we deleted it. So we're going to click on create your store right now. And this one is for creating a new store in Shopify. But over here, let's refresh this so that you guys could be able to see. Let's refresh this. This is what it would look like for you guys if you don't have any connection yet. This is what you're going to see. You're going to be able to add an authorized store. So simply click on Add Store. You will be able to see the instruction on how you will be able to do it. You will be redirected to Shopify, to the App Store or the app page, where you will be able to install the CJ Dropshipping app. So if you go over here in your Shopify, it is over here, CJ Dropshipping. There's a lot of people using it. It has a 4.9 review from 5.8k or 5.8 thousand people who have reviewed it previously. So you already know that it is a very reliable app because a lot of people are indeed utilizing it and using it. So going back here in CJ Dropshipping, the second step is to log into your account and select the store to authorize. So let's click on authorize over here. To begin the process, we will be redirected over here into our Shopify. Simply click on install. And then we will be redirected once again. Let's wait for a few seconds. And over here, there we go. Simply click on install app over here on the top right. And we will be redirected to another page. Simply click on authorize, click on confirm. And we will be able to move on to the next step. So give it a few seconds to load. And there we go. We are now connected with CJ Dropshipping. As you can see here with this very big banner mentioning authorization success, CJ Dropshipping will help you make dropshipping business easier. So now what we could do is we could go back to our homepage and look through the different apps, or look through the different products. So for example, I would like to check this product out. I could open this. You could be redirected to another page where you could see information about it, just like this. And now what we could do is we could click on list. Click on list, and we will be able to enter our listing to a specific store. So over here, this is our store over here, identifiable by its Shopify logo. And you could also figure out that this is your Shopify store if you have a lot of Shopify store. If you go back to your Shopify over here and look at your URL, it will have the code 5508 for D for me, and it will appear the same way over here. Our shop code will be different, of course. My shop code will be different for you guys, so you could use this as a basis to know if it's the correct store. So over here, simply enter the information that you want, and you can select here the different variants. Then you can simply click on list now. The product type over here, where's the product type? You can select, or we could add new over here. Let's say clothing. Click on confirm. And then let's simply click on list now. Store price. We're going to have to enter our store price, which is over here on the right side. So the total drop shipping cost is $27.16, and it depends on the specific variant over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to let me select just one for now, or I guess we will be able to select everything. And there we go. Let's select one for now, and let's simply say our pricing for this would be 30, or let's go with a higher price. I guess let's go with 5,000, which will be converted to 89.89 over here. So the general rule of thumb is that the price should be above the price that you're willing to pay for. So you want to earn some earnings, so let's go with, I guess, 2,500. There we go, 44. Let's go with a lower one. That's a bit too low. Let's go with 800, and there we go. Now we will be able to earn at least $5 from the sale if we were able to successfully sell this specific product over here. We will be able to get a good profit from this pricing over here. So let's simply click on list now, and it will list, and there we go. Listing is in progress. And then let's go check it out if it will appear on our products over here. If you click on products, and there we go. As you can see, we now have the men's fleece line cotton over here that we just got from CJ Dropshipping, just like here. You will be able to see all the information over here, and we could preview it actually. Let's go to our online store over here under sales channel, so that we could preview it from our store and see what it would look like on your online store after getting it from CJ Dropshipping. So over here, click on view your store, and over here, there we go. This is our product over here. You can simply open it. You can see that the price that we entered is the same, as well as you can see 1,800, and these are the different photos and different information. You can also see the sizing over here. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.